Creations Crafting on a Budget. Today's video is a subscriber video request, and I gotta tell you, this is a request that I got asked a lot for over the last month and a half, and it was a request for a command station. Since the new year was coming up, people wanted to get the new year started off on the right foot and get as organized as they could, and so I've gotten so many requests asking for a Dollar Tree command station. I will tell you ahead of time that I did pick up a couple items from Walmart, but for the most part, I am using almost all Dollar Tree items. So let's jump on into this and let me show you what I came up with for a Dollar Tree command station for 2018. For this project, my first stop was at the Dollar Tree, where I picked up one of these foam boards, two 8x10 black frames, these magnets by Jot, these pearls by Jot, a 2018 desk calendar, a dry erase board, these silver hooks, and this decorative rope. I'll also be using this fabric that I had on hand already from a previous project. An alternative to using fabric for this project is to pick up some of Dollar Tree's drawer liner or contact paper, these paper flowers that I already had on hand that I picked up previously from Michael's in their dollar bins, and these grommets that I had from a previous project that I used in my phone charging station. If you haven't seen that video, link will be in the description box below. I'll also be using an 8x10 magnetic sheet that you can pick up from Michael's as well for $1.99 a sheet. And don't forget to head on over to Kayla's channel for her weekly video today. Today, she is doing a 99-cent store candy taste test. And Alli's also posted a video this week where she did a Dollar Tree haul full of new items for kids. Starting this project off, I've taken a scrap piece of fabric that I had in my stash from a previous project. I'm gonna be using fabric for this part of the project. You could also use some of Dollar Tree's drawer liner, otherwise known as contact paper. They've got some really great patterns there. I've decided to use this fabric that I already had on hand that I've used in a previous project because I'm doing this to match the decor of my home. And that's what's so great about a project like this is that you do it to suit your decor needs. I've cut my fabric a bit bigger than the size of one of Dollar Tree's foam poster boards. And so I'm just gonna cover the front of this by simply folding over the edges here and hot gluing them to the back of this board. My board is completely covered. Now let's put this command center together. Using one of the 8x10 frames, I've taken the glass and the backing off of this. And with the backing, I'm just simply gonna remove the stand and remove the two metal hangers. I'm just simply going to insert my magnetic sheet into the frame. I'm gonna take and replace the backing. Leaving me with a framed magnetic sheet. Now taking the dry erase board, I'm gonna remove the pen holder and I'm going to remove the plastic edging. Now using the back of my frame, I'm gonna place it on top of my dry erase board and I'm gonna trace it. Taking my straight edge razor and a ruler, I'm gonna cut the excess dry erase board off. Now I'm gonna place my dry erase board inside my frame. And there we have a nicely framed dry erase board. Now taking my grommets, I'm gonna place a grommet in the top two corners. Leaving us with this nice framed hole. Now I'm gonna take and just start placing things. I am happy where everything is placed. I'm gonna glue it down using my hot glue gun using the Gorilla Glue Sticks. I have seen amazing results with these glue sticks, so I'm not worried if it's gonna hold up or not. If you wanna use a double-sided tape or an E6000, you can. When it comes to the desk calendar, I'm just simply gonna put 4 dots of glue on each corner, so that way next year, if I wanna take this desk calendar off of this and replace it with 2019's, I can, and it'll be easy to remove. Now taking these silver hooks, I removed the backing from the adhesive, but I'm also going to place a dot of hot glue. Now using these leftover Velcro dots by Jot that I had from a previous project, you can pick these up from the Dollar Tree. I'm gonna take and cut the circle in half and cut the other side in half as well. I'm gonna place my 2 halves together, and on the dry erase pen, I'm gonna place my Velcro there, then place it here on the side of the board. And there we have a spot for our dry erase marker. I also picked up some pearls by Jot and these flowers from Michael's that you can get in their dollar bins because I thought that these would be a nice touch in decorating this just a bit more. Now taking my magnets from Jot, I thought about maybe putting flowers on the magnets, but I think what I'll do instead is just place some pearls on them. And would you just look at how stinking cute those magnets turned out by simply just adding pearls to them. And I think that since I have more pearls, I'm just gonna dress up the top of this calendar by adding more pearls. And now all that's left to do is to add our rope to hang our command center up. And there you have it, our 2018 DIY Dollar Tree and Walmart command center. You can get just about everything you need for this command center at the Dollar Tree. They've got paper flowers in white. I needed them in cream. You substitute your fabric with the contact paper, and if you substitute Dollar Tree's cork board for the magnet sheet, and this has just become 100% a Dollar Tree DIY. And how much did this cost us? Here's the breakdown. Well, everybody, that's all I have for you for today for this command station for 2018. I am pretty happy with the way it turned out. I think that this is something that you can alter to your needs, whether it's using a chalkboard instead of a dry erase board, or maybe taking the magnet out and putting a cork board in. There are endless possibilities when making command stations. That's the whole fun of making them. You make them to suit your needs. Please give this video a thumbs up. And if you're new to my channel, stick around a while by clicking that red button for more crafting on a budget videos to come. And if you click it again when the bell appears, YouTube will notify you when I'm uploading a new video. You can also follow me on Facebook, Pinterest, Instagram, Google+, and Twitter. You can find those links in the description box below. Just click on those links, click follow, and you'll also be notified through social media when I'm uploading a new video or just doing something fun. You can also find my P.O. box in the description box below as well if you're interested in sending me mail and watching me open it up in a video. And don't forget, if I've inspired you to make one of my projects, snap a quick picture, send it to me on Facebook or Instagram because I love seeing all of your creations and I can feature them in an upcoming video. Until next time, everybody, I hope you have a fantastic day, happy crafting on a budget, and bye for now.